You know, I caught myself doing it again last night. I didn't just search for summer shirt.
Uh,
I typed, and I mean literally, breathable linen button down for humid weather under 2000. It's so specific,
yes.
and it hit me. We don't really shop like we're browsing a rack anymore. We shop like we're, I don't know, programming a search engine.
Oh, it's so true. The days of just typing in one or two words they're pretty much over. And that change in how we search is forcing the fashion industry to totally rewire itself.
Right.
We're looking at some research from Samyak Online today, and it suggests that if brands aren't optimizing for that specific, almost conversational search, what they're calling LLM SEO, they're invisible.
And that's the core of this deep dive, isn't it? It's not standard SEO anymore, that old idea of just stuffing keywords onto a page. This is something else.
Totally different. It's about convincing an artificial intelligence that your product is the answer to someone's really complex question.
It's a conversation versus an index.
Exactly. Traditional SEO was just matching words. You type shirt, you get a page with shirt on it. AI SEO, and especially LLM optimization, it's about matching intent.
So the AI has to figure out that when I say breathable and humid weather, I probably mean linen or light cotton.
Yes, even if you didn't say the fabric yourself.
Yeah.
The AI makes that leap.
Okay, so the research highlights two big concepts here.
Yeah.
AI SEO and LLM SEO. Let's start with the AI part because that feels more proactive. It's not just waiting for customers, it's predicting them.
It's incredibly reactive. The insights show brands using AI tools to spot what they call micro-trends before they go mainstream.
So not just summer clothes.
No, way more specific. The AI might see, say, a 200% spike in searches for monochrome co-word sets on a Tuesday and immediately flag it for the marketing team.
So it finds a keyword gap. The
Yeah.
AI is basically saying, hey, people are looking for this and nobody's selling it properly. Go make a page for it now.
You got it. It catches the demand wave as it's building. But that's the short term. LLM SEO. That's the long game. That's about making sure your brand is the one an AI like ChatGPT trusts enough to recommend.
Okay, and this is where that term entity-based SEO comes in. This was the real aha moment for me in the research. It sounds super technical, but it's not.
It's the whole foundation. Think of it like this. To a basic search engine, a photo of a dress is just a file. Dress.jpg.
Right.
But with schema markup, you're adding this invisible layer of code that tells the AI, no, this is an entity. It's a dress. The material is organic cotton. The occasion is formal.
You're turning the product into a data point that the machine can actually understand. You're not just hoping it guesses what the picture is.
Exactly. And that's why we see those rich snippets now. The price, the rating, the stock level, all right there in the search results. Yeah. The AI can only show you that if the schema is perfect.
If you don't have it, the LLM just skips you. It can't read your product.
It's like a book in a library with no title in the spine. But there's another piece to this, the source mentioned LSI, latent semantic indexing.
Right. This felt like the bridge between the hard code and the creative side.
It's all about context.
Yeah.
LSI is how an algorithm knows the difference between Apple, the fruit, and Apple, the tech company.
So for fashion.
It's vital. If you're selling tanks, you need other words around it, like sleeveless, layering, summer, ribbed, to tell the AI you're talking about tops.
And not, military vehicles.
Exactly. It's not about repeating tank top 100 times. It's about building this cloud of related words so the AI gets the context.
Which is why those how-to-wear guides and online lookbooks are so important again. They're not just for us. They're training the AI.
That's it. They provide the semantic context.
It seems to level the playing field, too. The algorithm doesn't care if you're a huge luxury brand or a small startup making sustainable kids wear.
It only cares about how clean your data is.
It's true. You could have the biggest ad in the world, but if your schema markup is broken,
then you're invisible to the person on their phone.
Which brings up a kind of, an existential question for fashion then. If we have to describe our products in these very specific, logical ways for a robot to categorize them, does that change the clothes themselves?
You're asking if we'll stop designing things that are hard to describe?
Yeah, exactly. If a designer creates something really avant-garde, something that isn't quite a shirt or a jacket, the LLM might just ignore it because it doesn't fit a category. Are we heading for a world where trends are dictated by what's easy for an algorithm to index?
That is a real risk. If findability is the #1 goal, you could see creativity start to flatten out. Brands might just stick to algorithm-friendly designs, standard cuts, standard fabrics.
You could optimize the art right out of fashion.
Sure they could.
A sobering thought. Just remember, the next time you find that perfect niche item online, it probably wasn't magic. It was just really good markup. Thanks for diving in with us.